In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to sign out apps that are using your Apple ID account. This is crucial for maintaining your security and privacy. It ensures that your personal data, such as emails, photos, and purchase history, remain protected, especially if you're using a shared or public device. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, tap right here on your Apple ID profile. Head to Password and Security. Select on this option of Sign in with Apple. You will see all apps that are connected to your Apple ID. Let's say you want to remove this one, select on it and tap right here on Stop using Apple ID. Your Apple ID account will automatically get disconnected to that app. This also prevents unauthorized access to your Apple services and minimizes the risk of someone making purchases or changing your account settings without your permission. That's how easy it is to stop apps from using your Apple ID account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.